In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change LinkedIn posts from connections only to anyone. This is a quick and simple adjustment, but it makes a big difference in who can see your content. Maybe you want to post to reach people beyond your immediate network, like recruiters, potential clients, or anyone searching for your expertise. Switching your post's visibility to anyone is the way to do that, and I'll walk you through it on the LinkedIn mobile app. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. From your homepage, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap the Post button to begin creating a new post. This opens the post editor where you might add your text, a photo, a link, or a document. Before you share anything, take a moment to check the visibility setting so your post reaches exactly who you intend. At the top of the post editor, next to your profile icon, you'll see a small label with a dropdown. That label tells you who can currently see your post. Tap it to open the visibility options. You'll see a few choices: anyone, connections only, or a group. If you want your post to be public and discoverable beyond your network, choose anyone. This makes your post visible to people who aren't connected with you and can increase your reach and engagement. If you prefer to keep it more private, connections only limits it to your network. And if you're posting into a specific community, selecting a group shares it only with members of that group. Once you tap the option you want, you'll be brought back to the post editor and the label at the top will update to reflect your choice. This is your confirmation that the setting has changed. If you need to change it again before posting, just tap the label and pick a different option. Remember, this setting applies to the post you're creating right now. You can choose a different audience next time depending on your goal. Before you hit post, give your content a quick review to make sure the tone, links, and attachments match the audience you selected. Public posts are great for broad visibility and can even be seen by people outside your network, while private or group posts are better for targeted conversations. That's all there is to it. That is how to change a LinkedIn post from connections only to anyone. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more straightforward tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.